welcome to Arena Andre Richard in Beauharnois in what is a landmark day in hockey, in Quebec, in sports in general. Our final day of hockey for 2021 and possibly a little bit longer. As we all know, sports tournaments suspended as of this upcoming Monday, December 20th. So Sunday, December 19th, 2021. Remember it as a final day of competition. Tonight's matchup features the Bantam Beast, Chateauguay Marquis, taking on the St. Martin Blizzard, who are currently in first place percentage points wise in the league with a record of 10 wins and 1 loss. And the Marquis with a record that'll make you scream Illuminati, 4 wins, 5 losses, and 6 draws on the campaign. Let's take a look at today's starting netminders for the Marquis. Number 77, Preston Gibb. And meanwhile, down on the opposite end, his counterpart, number 60, Alexis Bissonnette. And let's meet the two teams first, starting off with the Marquis. Number 60, Emerick Sauvé. Number 61, Nathan Marquis. Number 62, Cornelio Preciun. Number 67, Adam Eliande. Number 68, Liam Ryan. Number 69, Elias Bantorakis. Number 70, Angelin Sauvignon Duverville. 71, Alexis Robillard. 75, Luc Bergeron. And 76, Laura Bergeron. This team coached by Francois Sauvé, assistant Eric Robillard. And now let's take a look at the lineups for the St. Martin Blizzard. Number 6, Vincent Lozier. Number 8, Zachary Bissonnette. Number 10, Xavier Lapointe. Number 11, Emerick Turcotte. Number 12, Jeremy Bedard. Number 19, Cameron Brossois. Number 20 is Samuel Massé. Number 27, Jeremy Powell. Number 44, Zachary Morel-Baudieu. And number 65, Alexis Goyette. Alexandre Bissonnette, the head coach of this team. Assistant coach Mark Powell, who has worked with us before. So I wanted to give you a shout out, Mark, and good luck to your team on the game today. This is it, folks. This is it. This is a final presentation of 2021. And we don't know how much longer we will not have hockey for you on Baby Blue Memories after tonight. But we know that we will have a game here. And that is going to be the focus of our presentation. We're kind of shielded from the game clock here, but each period will be 10, 10, and of course running time third. The Blizzard wearing the home reds with blue and white trim, skating left to right. The Blizzard, as we mentioned, 10 wins, 1 loss on the season. First place in the league. The Marquis, 4 wins, 5 losses, 6 ties, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that's right. A record which may make you scream Illuminati. So here we go. The Marquis starting Emerick Sauvé up front. On the back end is 67 Eliande. And Sauvignon Duverville, number 70 on the opposite end. Or sorry, that is Duverville. We're underway here at Arena Andre Richard. And here comes Brossois, stopping at the point, had it turned back, and the Blizzard shoot it back into Chateauguay territory. Sauvé up the ice. That pass pinballs all the way through and gets to center ice by Zachary Bissonnette, number 8 in red. Now it's shot back in past Lapointe. Sauvé back to get it. Sorry, that's Eliande. Eliande got rid of it to the point, not out. Kept alive by the Blizzard. Backhanded. That pass intercepted by Sauvé. He tried to get one out, hit the skates of the linesman. And Sauvé gets it to the point, not out. Shot back into Chateauguay territory. Eliande going after it, battling there with the point. And it comes free to the point. And the Blizzard keeping the puck alive. This is Jeremy Powell, number 27. Lost the puck and it's intercepted by the Marquis. And it's checked away by St. Martin. Good turnaround. And back come the Blizzard into Marquis territory. Speeding down the wing. Saucer pass in front. That will sail back towards the point. That was Goyette up there on attack. Now Bedard. Send it out in front. That pass picked off and shot up the wall. And it gets by the defense of Turcotte and all the way back out to center ice. and it's brought back in on the offside. We played 1:25 here in this contest. So the Marquis 4 wins, 5 losses, and 6 ties on the year. 4, 5, 6. The Blizzard 10 wins, 1 loss. Coverage on Baby Blue Memories this year started back in May 2021 at the Hospital Ball Field, a baseball game between the Mosquito A Warhawks and the Pee Wee B Warhawks, and it ended here in St. Martin. Here's a shot, score! Vincent Lozier pitches in from the point, gets a nice feed out in front of the net, and scores to get the Blizzard on the board. It's 1-0 St. Martin. This is a beautiful pass out in front by Xavier Lapointe. The puck gets through and goes into a shooting lane right at the top of the face-off dot. And for a point man to get the puck there, it's basically a shot from the ladies' tees. And the Blizzard have opened the scoring. And away comes St. Martin, trying to break out, and they do. And back come the Blizzard, getting their way over the blue line. Here's a slap shot, rides the stick, and sent back out in front. That pinballs. Montarakis overskated the puck, but it's backed up nicely by his teammate Krasiun, but now it's intercepted by St. Martin. And back come the Blizzard shooting one in. That's turned away by Adam Aliandi. Aliandi's pass stuck at center and now backhanded back into the Blizzard zone by Batarakis. Icing wave, so the Blizzard will have to start out. It's given away, but now St. Martin starts back. Here's a pass up, and away come the Blizzard. Coming on in. Breakaway opportunity. Pad stop. Follow-up chance turned aside as well. Wraparound try, and Aliandi got a stick in the way. Comes back to the point. Bedard sent it over, and it's checked back in by Lozier. Back behind the net, intercepted by Chateauguay. And it's played up, and a 2-on-1 coming up for the Marquis. There's a pass across. Back, and in front, they score! Tie game. Liam Ryan has opened the scoring for Chateauguay. It's 1-1. Just a little over 3 minutes gone by in the first, and the Marquis are back at level 1-1. Liam Ryan, the captain of this Marquis team, and it's played out. St. Martin resets, and now they can attack. Along the wing they come. Brussois shoots, and a nice shoulder save made by Preston Gibb, who's had a couple of big ones early in a centering feed over the stick of Samuel Massey. Pinched up in on the wing, and that centering feed is picked up, and away come the Marquis. Back is Liam Ryan. He makes a move. Ryan gets a slapper go, and that's deflected wide of the St. Martin goal. Picked up along the wing and played back out to center ice. And Alexi Robillard plays it over. Marquis on a change, as are the Blizzard. They actually had 6 men on the ice right there, it looked like. As St. Martin starts up ice. Played over to the wing. Giving chase to the puck is Turcotte. Turcotte stick handling his way back. Turns it, fires, and that's blocked by Sauvé. Aliandi up the ice. Pinballed back out by Batarakis, but he couldn't get by the point man. And now the puck is tied up along the half wall. A centering feed back to the point. Lozier lets it go. He scores! This seesaw game continues just a minute and 15 seconds after the Marquis tied the game. The Blizzard come right back, and St. Martin has gone up by a score of 2-1. And it's another point shot. That's the thing about St. Martin. They're not being shy. They're getting shots from the point right now. They're using that extra man as an offensive threat. A backhander, give the save. Juggled it for a moment, but he'll swallow this one up. 2-1 St. Martin leading on this, our final presentation of hockey for 2021 and possibly beyond. If we look ahead, reminder to all of you to please stay vigilant this holiday season. Back to the point it goes, intercepted and shot back into the Chateauguay zone. Lapointe behind the goal. Lapointe plays it back to the point, and there's a good stick check by Ryan. Ryan busts through the center. Ryan on the backhand corrals the puck. Ryan coming on in. Liam Ryan shoots, and that one turned aside by the netminder Alexi Bissonnette. Liam Ryan is on it right now. Physically too, but he's been on it in terms of the game. And now the Blizzards start back. In comes St. Martin, gathering speed as they cross the wing. Here's a wrist there, deflected on net, and Gibb turns it aside. Back out in front, that goes through the blue paint. Out the other side, where it's the point man, Bedard, pinching in. Bedard, send it out in front, and it's kicked away. Robillard tries to pick it up, and the Marquis do scoop up the puck at center. Tripping call coming up, and it's time for our Mohawk Super Bingo Jackpot Chasers power play. And the first penalty of tonight's game is taken by the Blizzards, so the Marquis will have an opportunity to tie this one up. Trailing by a score of 2-1. Liam Ryan has the lone goal for the Marquis. And 2 goals coming for the Blizzard, courtesy of Lossier and Zachary Morel-Beaulieu. Face off to the right of the Blizzard net. 2-1 lead, St. Martin. 4:19 to go here in the first. That face-off was won and hit the back of the net. Now it's finally sent up the wall and back into Marquis territory, and Chateauguay will have to come back. Aliande, backhands went up the wing. Here comes Cassian, and it's deflected, but not far enough. St. Martin intercepts and shoots it back deep. Aliande could not get by Brassois. Brassois will try to wrap it around. Gibbs stuffed it. Kept alive at the point, shot back in behind the net. Brassois sent it up to the hash marks. Puck lost free. And a free puck once again scooped up by St. Martin. Brassois up the ice. And here's a shot from the point, blocked by a Marquis player. And Chateauguay will start back here on the power play. 1:15 left to go in the man advantage. Here's a centering feed in the high slot, knocked away by Lossier. And the Blizzard get it all the way down. Here's a pass to an open wing, but the wing was vacated. And that is going to go all the way down for icing against the Chateauguay Marquis with 1 minute gone by in the man advantage. We were talking a little bit about this, like seeing games canceled, seeing games postponed for the first time really all year in the last couple of weeks. And of course, our best wishes to those in Huntington and Valleyfield, the staff at Valleyfield at the arena who are under isolation and quarantine right now. Best wishes to all of you who are fighting this deadly pandemic as it's shot back in by the Marquis. Ryan had it knocked off his stick, and it'll be sent back in to Chateauguay territory. Here's Robillard. Alexi Robillard back to get it. He banks it off the wall. And it's not out. Robillard battling for it, and he comes up with the puck. Robillard got it out, and Ryan tracking in along the wing. There's a pass out in front. That one knocked away. And the Blizzard scoop it up. Power play just about to end. In fact, it is over now. The Blizzard have killed it off. Ryan out in front of the high slot. Here's a shot knocked away. Cleared up to the wall. Kept alive by the Marquis. A centering feed comes back to the point. Not out. The Blizzard on the interception will slay it up the wall. Alejandre passes one up to center. And here's Ryan up behind the defense. Liam Ryan moves right in with a shot. Caught by Alexi Bissonnette, who will hang on with the 1:51 to go in the first. This year has certainly taught me a lot, though. It's taught me about how difficult things are to really look. And, you know, we've had a blast every time we've come on and brought a presentation for you. In 2020, when we went through basically the entire regular season and the playoffs were starting, I don't think we saw this coming. And it's turned over, a wrister back to the game. A shot deflects, rides the stick of the defenseman and goes over the net. And now it gets by Eliandi and back into Marquis territory. Back to play it. Sauvignon Duverel up the ice. Bergeron chips it back into the Blizzard zone. Gathering the puck is Morel Beaulieu. And St. Martin comes back in. Lapointe lets it go, and that's going to be stopped. Played up the boards, and it's kept alive. Here's the wrister deflecting wide of the target. Sauvignon plays it around the horn. Ryan on that wing, intercepted by the Blizzard and played back behind the Chateauguay net. A centering feed, intercepted, comes back to the point. Back to the opposite side. Turcotte shot blocked, and a backhander gets by Turcotte and Ryan as well. And Beaulieu is the last man back for the Blizzard, and he'll have to scoop this one up as we're into the final 20 of the first. Turned over at the blue line, and now intercepted back by the Blizzard. Down to 12 seconds left. Here comes St. Martin moving the puck in. Powell lets it go, and that's stopped. Jeremy Powell let one go, and a nice stop by Preston Gibb. No rebound given up by the Chateauguay netminder, as we have 5.8 seconds remaining here. Back to the point. Here's a wrister deflecting wide. Lapointe sent it back out in front. Deflects, and that is it for the first, as we have some extracurriculars in front of the Chateauguay goal. One period over, the St. Martin Blizzard 2, the Chateauguay Marquis 1. We're coming back with the second. You're watching Baby Blue Memories. We welcome you back to Andre Richard Arena in Beauharnois, Quebec. This is the second period of our final presentation of 2021, Bantam V, Chateauguay Marquis, and the St. Martin Blizzard. You know what's amazing about this season, mostly for the Marquis? We're only at the end of December. This is their 16th game already. They've already played 15. This is their 16th game. Nice move! And Gibb makes the save. A rebound cleared back to the point. Luswaz shot. Or Luthier with the shot. That's blocked. Ryan trying to get back behind the defense. He picks it up along the wall and shoots it in. Got caught in the skate of the official. Comes back to Liam Ryan. Ryan gets in, dancing in. Ryan, what a move! Ryan knocked off the puck. Boy, he just freight trained Bissonnette on his way to the goal. 2-1 lead here, St. Martin. And it's intercepted. Brought back in by the Blizzard, but the puck got caught up in the skates of a St. Martin player. Of course, the Beauharnois St. Martin Blizzard, I should mention, the two organizations have joined. Just like Valleyfield and Soulage. Given away by St. Martin. And they come back in. Nice move and a poke by Robillard. Back out in front. That puck deflects up in the air. It's in the slot. Cleared away from danger. But it's poked away. Good job by Powell. And it's sent back wide of the target. Along the half wall. Played back behind the Chateauguay goal. Sent around the horn. Powell coming back in along the point. Powell keeps it alive. Out in front it comes. Deflected on goal, and Gibb makes the save. Another chance in the high slot. Knocked away. And the Marquis come back. Over the blue line. Powell trying to get a stick in the way he does. And it's shot back in wide of the St. Martin goal. Alexis Bissonnette watches his defenseman play it. And Zachary Bissonnette played it up the wing. And back comes St. Martin. Good stick check. Back to the point it comes. Here's a slap shot. Pinballs. And it's blocked by Eliande. And back come the Marquis. Nice move. Shot rolls right in on goal, and that'll be covered up as Bantarakis was in on goal. Bissonnette covers it up, 2-1 score. 7:32 to go in the second. Face off to the right of the St. Martin net. Bergeron lost it. And it's shot back into the Marquis zone. Stopped behind the goal. And furthered along by the Blizzard. Puck goes behind the net. Comes out in front. Ryan catches the puck. Liam Ryan trying to get by. Good defense by Powell. Forces the turnover. And in comes St. Martin. Sauvignon poked the puck away. And it's furthered away by the Blizzard. One of the Marquis players went down in a heap. Kept alive at the point. Arrested by Beaulieu, deflected wide. And another shot is going to go wide of the target. Picked back up by St. Martin. A shot out in front. And the Marquis with the intercept. And Chateauguay looks to start back up the other way. It's cleared up and out of the zone as Ryan furthers the puck along. Ryan couldn't push it further than that of Powell and kept alive, and Dylan Ryan picks it up. Liam Ryan with a shot. St. Paul score! It is Luke Bergeron tucking the puck in on the rebound, and the Marquis are back at square one. It's 2-2. Liam Ryan making something happen again. The shot comes in from just below the face-off dot to the left of Bissonnette. Bissonnette makes the save, but it's blockered down, so the puck squirts out the other side, and that's where Luke Bergeron finds himself uncovered, and he tucks home the rebound, tying the score up 2-2. That goal comes with 6:10 remaining in the second. Here's a wrister, and a big stop by Gibb as he shouldered that one aside. Back out in front of the hash marks, and it's cleared out. Bantarakis on the hot pursuit of this one. That was actually, yeah, that was Bantarakis, sorry, number 69. It's played up the wing, and that'll get by everybody. Xavier Lapointe was in pursuit, and that'll go all the way down, and we will have icing called against the St. Martin Blizzard. Two teams who we seed earlier in the season are coming up next here at Andre Richard Arena. The Midget B Vaujoy Titans and the aforementioned St. Martin Blizzard. Shot into Chateauguay territory. Robillard picks it up. Robillard up the wing. Puck goes behind the Chateauguay goal. Sent up ahead. And St. Martin's netminder, Bissonnette, will just watch this one go wide. Coming back behind the net is Jeremy Bédard. Kicked further along. Here's a wrister. Save made. Knocked down along the half wall. Sent back behind the net. Bantarakis in pursuit. Going after it with Lozier, and Lozier plays it up the wing, and here comes Brossois. Oh, Chateauguay defenseman blew a tire. Brossois, slap shot, and that's turned aside by Gibb. Intercepted at the point. And here comes Ryan trying to bust through, and Ryan got turned away by Powell. I like the matchup here by Coach Alexandre Bissonnette. He's putting Jeremy Powell in there basically every time. Ryan's out there, and a save made by Gibb. So obviously the St. Martin coaching staff knows that 68 in white has been a marquee player, so they put their top defenseman, or one of their top defensemen, in Jeremy Powell on him. Face off to the right of the Marquis net. And shot back into Chateauguay territory. Played up the wing. And here comes Chateauguay. Ryan picks it up. Ryan plays it out. Liam Ryan. 3 players on him. Powell going into it with Sauvé. And now it's stolen by St. Martin. Alejandre making a good jump up here and knocking the puck away. Liam Ryan intercepts, trying to chip it deep. And now played over to center ice, intercepted by the Blizzard. Slammed up the ice, but not out. Shot back into Chateauguay territory. The puck one hops over to center ice, and Liam Ryan is away. Ryan coming on in. Ryan gets by Powell, and Powell gets the puck back and shoots it out. And that is icing called on the St. Martin Blizzard as we're closing in on 3 minutes left here in the second period. Just one of the things I remember was that very first game we did this year, October 10th in Vaujoy, when the Mohawks took on, the Bantam took on the Opero River Yang, was just the atmosphere. You could feel like finally we got hockey. And it really took until 2 months into the season before we started to see any kind of outbreaks. And we're hoping that we'll be able to have a playoff and a President's Cup eventually. And that, of course, was the best wishes of League Commissioner Eric Hubert. He said in a press release on Wednesday as the Marquis shoot it into St. Martin territory. Lozier up the ice. And here come the Blizzard. Bissonnette moving on in. Here's a wrister. And Preston Gibb knocked it away with his shoulder. Back to the point. Slap shot. Deflected on net. Big stop, Gibb. Picked back up by the Blizzard. Good pressure by the home team. And it's intercepted by Chateauguay. And the puck is cleared up the wall. Not out. Finally, the Marquis get one out of the zone. And it's stopped by Bédard. Moving it on in. Lossier was open, but the puck deflected. Now Lossier, who's got a goal in the game, turns and shoots it back into Chateauguay territory. Bergeron up the ice. Pinballs up to an open wing. Cornelio lost it. And Ryan with the steal. Ryan moving on in. Ryan poked away. And here comes Bissonnette. Zachary Bissonnette up the ice. Alejandre picks it up, tried to shoot it in. Lossier played it up the wing. And it's cleared but not out. And back on the Chateauguay Marquis coming on in. Arister blocked and Bissonnette went for a ride. As it's played up to the point, not out. Ryan can't control it. He gave a little forearm shimmy to Alexis Goyette of St. Martin. Ryan furthers it along. And here come the Marquis. St. Martin on a change. It's a long change too. Ryan! Glove stop by Bissonnette. A rebound. Ryan, and he's on his knees. And they could not pull it away was Cornelio Cresian. Some late pressure by Chateauguay with 16 seconds to go in the second period. A big glove stop by Bissonnette. And he keeps this game deadlocked 2-2 in the final 16 of the second. Face off won by St. Martin. Played up the wing. Cervigno got it deep. Another try here. Played up. Batarakis going after the puck. Down to 4 seconds to go. Batarakis can't control it. Intercepted by St. Martin, and that will do it for the second. So the Marquis come back. They score the only goal of the period. We're all square 2-2 as we get set for period number 3. You're watching Baby Blue Memories. We're back here in St. Martin, in Beauharnois for this matchup between the Chateauguay Marquis and Beauharnois St. Martin Blizzard. It looks like 23 running time minutes have been put up on the clock, but I think it may actually be 18. Yep, okay, so it's 18 running time minutes here in this 2-2 hockey game. The Marquis and the Blizzard. Who's going to come out here in the final third period of 2021? Alejandre chips it into St. Martin territory. Boulier chips it up. And St. Martin gets as far as center before it's turned away, and now the Blizzard accelerating back into Marquis territory. Shot towards the net is blocked. Here's another opportunity. Comes out in front, lands on net. And Preston Gibb will freeze it as we have 17, 20, and counting left in this contest. I can remember back when this whole thing started on March 11, 2020, I filmed the game and was actually uploading the game up onto YouTube when the NBA season was postponed. And I think that's when we all knew that the first domino had fallen. As the Blizzard bring it back. Here's a wrister! Knocked down! And Preston Gibb, as cool as a cucumber, catching the puck as it dropped from his mask, and he will not give up a rebound. 2-2 scoreline. 16 and a half to go. Face off to the right of the Marquis net. Lapointe played it back to the point. Powell sends it over. Wrister! And that's blocked. Hit the last man through before it would have hit the net. And Ryan's coming back. Ryan cutting outside against Boulier. Ryan turns. Ryan still with it. Ryan tried to feed it, and the puck got knocked away. Preston Gibb watches Alejandre come back for the Marquis. Alejandre up the ice. Intercepted and knocked away. Massey up the ice for St. Martin. Trying to make something happen, but got turned away. Shot back into Chateauguay territory. Alejandre coming up with it. Intercepted by Turcotte. A shot will not hit the goal. Massey out in front. That pinballs to the opposite corner. And it's thrown up and out of the zone. And back comes St. Martin. Nice moves. Turcotte, a shot deflected wide. Picked back up by the Blizzard. Brossois fanned on the pass, and it's sent up the wall. And that'll get into St. Martin territory as we pass the 15-minute mark here in this third. Kept alive by the Marquis. Batarakis, and it's thrown out in front. Back come the Blizzard. And that'll be offside as the left winger Massey got caught trying to come back in. And play is halted as we have 14:25 and running left here. Now Bissonnette with a hot shot, that's blocked. Overskated by Brossois. Brossois picks it up. Brossois with a shot that's turned away before it got through. Back at the point it comes. Here's the wrister, knocked down, and the Marquis get it out of the zone. Shot back into Chateauguay territory. Alexi Robillard up the ice. And Bartarakis is turned away. Here come the Blizzard, moving on into Chateauguay territory. Nice move. Aristo scores! Lussier scores, and he's given St. Martin the lead again. It's 3-2. "13 minutes running time remaining, and once again the Blizzard are in front. Now it's 3-2. It's their third one-goal lead of the game. Will a third time be a charm, or will it be 3 strikes you're out? And back come the Blizzard. Slowing things down. Picked up by the Marquis. And it's intercepted, played up the ice, and shot back into Chateauguay territory. Out in front! Oh, what a stop by Preston Gibb! Coming out aggressively and shutting down Turcotte to keep it a 3-2 game. That was Goyette, 65 in red. Face off to the left of the Marquis net. Goyette taking the draw. Flanked by Lapointe on his right. Played back to the point. Powell coming on in. Powell on the back end. Jeremy Powell sends it out in front. That's turned away by Alejandre. A little too far for Ryan. And that will be icing against the Chateauguay Marquis. Face off to the left of the Chateauguay goal. Back to the point. Here goes. Here's a wristed block. Powell fanned on it. Powell chips it back into Chateauguay territory. Bissonnette plays it. And a feed back to the point. Bartarakis trying to get by. Could not. Good job by Boulier at the point. Intercepted by the Blizzard. A centering feed broken up, and that pass is broken up. Turcotte. Centering feed. Toe save. Turcotte. Turcotte gets by. Turcotte still with it. Comes out in front. Gibb with the save. A centering feed, and that's hacked away from the danger area. Bartarakis going after it. It's intercepted. Played to the point, not out. Boulier, a wrister, save. A rebound. Gibb trying to find it, and he does have it. 10 minutes remaining. 3-2 St. Martin. Can the Marquis come back and complete the upset here, down by a score of 3-2? St. Martin this season plus 27 goals differential and a 10-1 record. Now a centering feed, chopped up in the air, deflected wide. Marquis pick it up, it comes back out, and St. Martin shoots it back in, delayed offside. Alejandre gets it over to Ryan. Ryan with a nice dancing move. And Liam Ryan had it knocked off his stick. Picked up by the Blizzard. Lussier gave it away. And chipped back in behind the St. Martin net. Back come the Blizzard. Played up the ice, intercepted by Ryan. Ryan pinned along the wall. Ryan trying to advance it forward. Ryan still with it, trying to get it back to the point. And we got a penalty call coming up against the Marquis. And St. Martin will go to work on a Mohawk Super Bingo Jackpot Chasers power play. Don't forget, New Year's Eve, it'll be $2,022 for the games at minimum to celebrate this new year. we'll just say that we're optimistically hoping to be bringing you hockey once again in 2022. In January 2022, too. Shot back in by St. Martin. And that puck rolls along the wall and it's played up to center ice. Powell trying to get this power play restarted here. Shot back into Chateauguay territory. Robillard goes behind his own net. Robillard scoops it around the horn. Knocked down at the wing. Turcotte passed it over to the point. Knocked down. Powell open. Powell missed. Slap shot and that misses. Takes the slap shot and lets go a nice little snapper, but unfortunately couldn't hit the net. Nathan Marquis lost it at center after making the play, and the Blizzard bring it in. Poked away at the last second, comes free, the slot, and a big stop by Preston Gibb, who makes the save as we're down to the final 7.5 minutes running time left here in the game. A 3-2 lead for St. Martin. Face off to the right of the Chateauguay net. Comes back to the point. Here's a slapper. Scores! And how about this for a rarity? The defenseman Vincent Lossier has just picked up the hat trick. Vincent Lossier lets it go from the point. It finds a way through, and the Blizzard now lead at 4-2 with 6:40 to go. Power play goal, and St. Martin has hit the Mohawk Super Bingo jackpot, Chasers jackpot with that power play goal. 4-2 lead for the Blizzard. Played up to the wing, not out. Here's a wrister. Patsy, rebound, and Dadarakis just couldn't get it. The Blizzard bring it back in. Chip back into Marquis territory. Leandre scoops one up to the point, not out. And the Marquis. Play one up, intercepted by St. Martin. Played up the wall, hit the skates of the linesman. That's in play, but the Blizzard pick it up. Back comes St. Martin, bringing it in. Goyette, a shot. That hit the back of the goal. Back out the other side. Goyette, a shot. That's not on. Goyette after the puck. Goyette behind the net. Turcotte comes back to the point. Here's a snapshot. That hit a leg. Back to the point. Not out. And backhanded into the Chateauguay goal. Played up to the point, and it's played up to Badarakis. He comes in. Badarakis 2-on-1. Badarakis centering feed. No one home. Pick back up on the ricochet. Out in front. No one home for Chateauguay. Comes back to the point. And Bergeron knocked it free. Badarakis trying to get into the shooting lane. Too many players there. And that's patted aside. From point blank range, what a stop. There's no way that the St. Martin netminder Bissonnette saw it until the last second, and we are down to the final 5 minutes. Under 5 running time left here in a 4-2 game. Face off to the right of the Blizzard goal. Ryan. Nice move. Liam Ryan moving on in, and he couldn't pull it. Liam Ryan back, spinning. Try to feed it out in front. Knocked down, up in the slot. Here's a wrister. Blocked. And the Blizzard will scoop it up and chip it out of the zone. Ryan back behind the defense, catches it onside. Knocked off the puck was Ryan by Powell. Ryan picks it back up, got around Powell. Ryan moving on in. And the numbers converge. There's a big collision away from the play. And we have a St. Martin Blizzard who is down 4-2 and time ticking off the clock. And you know what, it's a little bit humbling now just to think about how hockey has really come to an end, at least for a little while. Serious matter, however, on the ice, as a St. Martin Blizzard member is still down and is back up now. Just when you come home and you're home for the holidays this year, just think about staying safe, but also appreciating that little time that you do get to spend with your family members this year. And to me, it's unbelievable how this is happening again as we get back to the game. Think about the kids in their last couple of years, especially if you were in first year U18 back in 2020. It's now your last year of U18. Can you imagine your minor hockey career just being cut short by this? Or if you're in junior, then your career is pretty much over and you graduate on to the beer leagues or the big leagues. We're trying to get into schools, as the Marquis are going to have to try and come up big here in the last little bit. There's a shot off the outside of the post. Down to the final 80 seconds of hockey here on Baby Blue Memories for 2021. Ryan pokes the puck further. Ryan trying to get it away. St. Martin with the intercept and knockdown. And here come the Blizzard. Here's a wrister that deflects over the top of the Chateauguay goal. There's a collision. That was Sauvignon who went down back to the point. Oh, wow, there's a tripping call coming up away from the play. One of the Blizzard players went down in a heap. And that'll be a trip on the Marquis. St. Martin 1 for 1 on the power play as the final 30 seconds tick off here. And the net has come off its moorings. And that is going to do it. The clock hits 4:50. And the St. Martin Blizzard have won by a score of 4-2 over the Chateauguay Marquis. And that is how 2021 will end. Players of the game: Liam Ryan for the Chateauguay Marquis, and the defenseman with the hat trick on the final day, Vincent Loisier, 3 goals tonight. And the St. Martin Blizzard have improved to 11-1, and that's going to do it for hockey, at least for a little while, for these two teams. And that's going to do it for our coverage of minor hockey here, LHTO Hockey on Baby Blue Memories, at least for a little while. Hopefully early 2022, we will be back. That's going to do it here. Your final score: St. Martin Blizzard 4, Chateauguay Marquis 2. I'm Brandon Bordeaux for Baby Blue Memories on a Giveaway from Andre Richard Arena.